We have arrived at the moment of delicious spaciousness. For some of us, life may speed by so quickly that given 7 days, this may be our only intentional time of stillness. And that stillness exists right where we are. That stillness exists in the middle of any activity. That stillness is a place we come home to. It's a presence. It's an energy. It's a field. It's an arena without walls, without limit, without boundary. And so as we are easing ourselves into this field, we remember to let the mind do what it does. It thinks. It's busy. It's railroad cars flying through our mind. And so we let the mind do what it needs to do. And I invite us to bring our attention to our heart space, our wisdom center, the core of our being. And I invite us to ride the breath, coming home, mind, body, spirit, and soul, to the silence, to the presence, in this holy moment, on this sacred ground. We let it be. We walk in peace. We walk in light. We walk through day and through night. Hand in hand, the world will see that peace begins with you and me. Today will be my peaceful day. Namaste.